Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 2 moves. So we have to be on the blue side, but it has to be on the bottom. It won't just be on the top. So basically all you have to do is this. Bam, and bam. Bam, 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 bam. And just keep repeating it until it solves itself. So it might trick you a couple of times. Like that. But don't worry, it will solve itself. 5 moves later it doesn't solve itself. So if you just keep repeating these moves, then surely I'm sure that you will solve it. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to solve it this way. Because I can mess it up. Oh. Nope, I didn't. Hang on. BAM! That is how you solve the Rubik's Cube in 2 moves. So, goodbye, everybody. I am going to stop recording. This thing is laggy as heck. Stop